Someone asked Hazrat Abdullah bin Zayd bin Asim Ansari radiyallahu anhu to display to them the mode of the ablution of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sent for a vessel of water, tilted it and washed both hands thrice. He then took water by putting the hand into the vessel and gargled and rinsed the nose with a handful of water and did it thrice. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then took water by putting the hand into the basin and washed the face thrice. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again took water by putting the hand into the vessel and washed the both forearms including the elbows twice. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter wet his hands from the vessel and passed them over the head, taking them from the front to the back and then from the back to the front. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then washed his both feet including the ankles and thereafter said, "It is the mode of the ablution of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 554.